Hey, sixth grade. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial for how to find Q1 and Q3, quartile 1 and quartile 3, which is another median or another middle number. All right, so here we go. Step 1, you're going to want the numbers in order from small to big. Okay, so let's check. Are my numbers already in order? They are, so good to go. All right, step 2. Because I want to find the middle number, I'm going to want to cross off 1 and 1, beginning and end, beginning and end, beginning and end, until I get to just the center. So step 2, I'm going to start crossing off, going from the outside, working my way in. So that's what those arrows mean, working from the outside in. Cross out. Okay, so here's what that looks like. I cross off 1 at the beginning, 1 at the end. A number at the beginning, 1 at the end. 1 and 1, 1 and 1. 1 at the beginning, 1 at the end. Okay, so I am left with 120 and 100. Okay, I can't cross them both out because then I have nothing. So if these are my medians, then I'm thinking, what is the number between them? I'm looking for the center or the middle number. So y'all take a second to think, what is the number between 100 and 120? What is the number between 100 and 120? Okay, and that number is 110. So 110 is going to be my median. Okay, so step 3, find the median. Once you have that and you have the median, then you break up your data set. Since you have a middle number, you break it up into first half and second half of data. So your middle number divides the set. It splits the set in two. So now I have all of my numbers that come after the median. I'm not including my median. And I have all the numbers that come before my median, which is 110. Okay, so to find quartile 1, you look at the beginning half of the set, so this half, and you essentially repeat the same process. Cross out 1, cross out 1. I am left with 2 in the center. I can't cross them out, so now I got to find the center of these two numbers. So I'm thinking, what is the number between 50 and 60? Take a second to think. Number between 50 and 60 is 55. So far, I have my median as 110. I have Q1 as 55. So the last thing is for Q1 and Q3. Repeat from the second step. So, from the second step, which is cross out. So repeat this guy, crossing out and then finding the median. All right, so for Q3, same thing. I go to my upper half, everything after the median, and I cross out one at the beginning, 1 at the end. I'm left with just the 150s. It's the same number, so there's no in between. So then my Q3 is just going to be the 150. So Q3, 150. Okay, so to recap, it is to find the median or a Q1 or a Q3, which is a different kind of median. You just put the numbers in order and cross off 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, find the center. Once you find the center for Q1 and Q3, then you focus on only the first half of the data and do the same thing. Cross out, cross out, cross out from the outside in, find the middle, there's your Q1. For Q3, you're only focusing on the last half of the data. Cross out, cross off, find the center, boom, there's your Q3, and you're done.